Tonight is more than a celebration of another year. It is a celebration of a legacy built through dedication, perseverance, and a shared commitment to public service.
Enjoy your achievements as well as your plans. Keep interested in your own career, however humble. This is the real possession of the changing fortunes of time. Magandang gabi at happy 33rd founding anniversary.
Its journey has not been without challenges, yet through every trial, the men and women of the Port of Subic remain steadfast, proving that public service is not measured by ease, but by endurance and impact.
We could dance in the pouring rain. Don't really care about what they say. You're my wild heart.
For 33 years, the Port of Subic has stood as a vital gateway of trade and economic growth. Through changing times, evolving challenges, and increasing demands, one thing has remained constant: the unwavering commitment of our people to fulfill the mandate entrusted to us.
As the days keep passing by, I keep falling in your eyes. Be my wild heart. Wanna run through the great unknown.
Congratulations po sa inyong lahat, Bureau of Customs, Port of Subic, on your 33rd founding anniversary. May you continue to achieve a greater milestone in the years ahead.
You and I, wild heart. Yeah, be my wild. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Hindi natin tatahakin ang susunod na mga taon upang manatili lamang sa pila. Tatahakin natin ito upang maabot ang ginto. Ang ginto ang kinabukasan ng bunga ng dangal, ng serbisyo at ng tunay na pagmamahal sa bayan.